ready.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
5,500.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay. This is your money. This is it. All right.
Wait. This is 6,000.
Keep the change. Keep the change.
Wait.
I don't need it. Thank you. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you.
It's
Right.
a dangerous game. They're playing dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. They are playing a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. The more you look, it's the less you see. A whole lot of activities going on before you. You will never know, cause they are in disguise. These girls are dangerous. Their movements are spontaneous. They playing a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Oh, they are playing a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Every day for the thief, but one day for the owner. If you want too much speed, slow down, cause speedy the kilo. Take like Jaja, no the para for life. What is yours will still be your own. It's a
Hello?
Baby, how are you? I just sighted your car by the roadside.
Yes, baby, that's my car. It broke down. No, I don't know what happened. If it's water, I don't know. So I just parked it on the road so that I can hurry up and make the food. Yes.
Oh, okay, great. Alright, I will come back and check the car. Okay. Women, probably there's no water in the car or something. Yeah. Let's go, I'll come back for it.
Okay.
Hi! Jesus Christ. Please, how my cover would have blown like this. No. I can't be doing this impromptu thing. I need to reach out to this guy. Let us negotiate. If you can be cooking this thing and I'll stock it in my house. It's better that way. God, I thank you. Let me go and serve the food.
What type of wickedness is this? This landlord just increased his rent. Just like that. No prior notice, nothing. But this is unfair now. What do I do now? He didn't even renovate the shop. He just increased the rent like that. This is wickedness now. What do I do now? And I don't have money. Oh. Oh, salud, bandeira. Hey. Ay. Osas, what happened? I dey call you since you don't hear me. See, I don't know what happened to me.
Now my mother give me food though. I just chop up before you know everything. See, they could say that pepper. She said that pepper rice, but the pepper pass the rice. I don't know. See, you see this kind of one? If let's say they go carry pepper from Ogunogu, all the pepper they sell for Ogunogu, then they put inside. Because as I did so, I did sell like tomatoes for eye. But inside me, I don't die. Oh, Sasa, I don't die. Everything about me don't scatter. My belly they do me up. Everything about me don't finish. Oh, Sasa, I beg, I just go me beg you. You the get ice block. Make I see whether if I put ice block for my body, when they go, they okay. Hey. Oh, Saloma de Rame, oh, you wouldn't. Oh, Sasa, I don't even visit that day. I don't visit that day. Hey, Osas, help me now. You know, so my guy. See, anything I don't do for this life, forgive me, I beg. You need to rescue me.
Bro, I'm still talking to my wife as regard what we discussed earlier.
It's alright.
I believe something good will come out very soon.
Ken, I believe you. I believe you so well, and I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome, bro.
It's okay. I appreciate your efforts, and I know it will yield positive results.
Definitely.
It's okay. Thoughtful.
So you guys can still keep your work here. This is an undercover.
Huh. You mean say like this now? We will just carry our legs, go Abuja. Like that, just like that.
On the flight. I'm arranging everything for you girls. Celestine, Chief is a fine politician. And I believe you ought to understand what I mean by fine politician.
Wait.
Enough cash to take care of all your needs.
Hold on. How do we leave our job and travel to Abuja to see Chief? Come on. We can't leave our work now.
So just cook up anything. You guys are smart. Now, this is the deal. There's a convention in Abuja. And Chief wants you girls to just hang out with him. Just chill with him for 2 days. And at the end, you grab 500K each.
500K? Just like that?
See, you guys are too beautiful to be collecting 30,000 naira for salary.
Jojo, I don't understand you. Wait till they even the yarn. See, that 30,000 naira minus Sam with 5. You go come be 25,000. I wait till they pay us for a year.
See what I'm talking about? 25K. So you girls should just roll with the big men and sound your bam bam. Do you understand what I'm talking about?
You know what they do me for a year, like say, na lie. Godson if you mean now.
Cotton.
You can't handle.
I'm telling you, frankly speaking, see, all the big ladies you know, they do this. The campus girls, the bankers, the big ladies you see driving exotic cars, hanging around here, they do all this. I just expect when I'm gonna just feel among and enjoy yourself and you make good money. It's all about the money, all about the Benjamin. You know what Benjamin is?
You said to me somehow for mine, 500K just like that. We'll go see person, they'll just carry. Haba. I never touched that kind of money before.
I'm in. Amy will just try. A trial. Just try now.
A flight. And not just that.
I reach Abuja now, believe.
I ain't go book the flight too.
Of course, I'm making every arrangement for it as I'm talking to you.
I go think I don't come out. Oga they come.
It is 500K each, remember? So you can sound your band. Enjoy the big girls.
500K. Hey! See money.
Are we going to leave our job?
If we leave our job, we don't turn proper runs girls now.
Babe, what are you saying? We need to give him feedback.
Tell him we are in.
Eh?
You don't need money. We dey game now.
How are we going to convince Oga? That's my point.
I be fixer. Leave that one to me.
Okay. Are we going to tell Jennifer about this?
I tell you now. Babe, you smoke anything? I don't understand. See, if you leave me, I go kill you.
Oga, no verse. Sorry.
Make I carry my parole go to tell my enemy. You high.
I don't tell you sorry now. No verse.
Sorry for yourself. Hey! If I touch this money, I could just come back on the dengue pose in front of Jennifer. I would they oof, they booger for him. They oof, they go up for him. In her front, I could do it like this. I could shine. You don't understand? I don't feel it made they just they break it. I won't use my hand break the break. Made the day just they break, they go. Hey, 6 a.m. We did knock for it door. 500,000.
You have to listen to me, please.
I don't want to listen to you. What is it? Leave me alone. I can teach you how to fix your fingers in your kitchen. Get a good chef. Please.
But Mom, I told you already. My husband kicks against it this time.
Then learn. Learn. There are so many ways to learn these days. We have app, books, and what have you? Oh,
wait, Mom. You're seriously not going to teach me how to do all of this? Like, are you for real? Mom, I have read books. I have tried apps, but I flopped. I mean, I've messed recipes up big time, Mom. Please.
Because you were not concentrating. What is eating your mind up? What?
Nothing, Mom.
Then concentrate. Learn. That's the only magic. Or I will contract a chef for you, a good one.
Oh no, Mom, you don't have to do that. Mom, please. Please.
Do you know what? I don't have time for you, now or anytime.
Mommy, please now. Please now, Mommy.
What's this? Money. Dollars. $30,000 for you.
What is this for?
Now listen, this is the game. This is an opportunity for you to become richer. Trust me. You know something? The rich get richer while the poor remain where they are. You know why? Because they fail to make use of opportunities like this. I tell you something, the young boys, I mean the guys into the system business, they press and they get money. The beautiful ladies well endowed uses their body to make money. You can make money from this kitchen. I'm not disputing that fact, but I tell you something, brother, it won't be enough.
So why are you telling me this?
The wise, my brother. This is an opportunity for you to get richer. See, this women, this lady that gave me this money knew that you've been needing this money for your business. And that is why they are sending me to you. I want you to make use of this opportunity and make good money for yourself. Give them what they want. Give them the food and build them. Build these freaky women. Make money. Ego. Good money.
I still don't understand you.
Those women so like you.
It's a dangerous game they are playing. Dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game they are playing. A dangerous, 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 a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. The more you look, it's the less you see. A whole lot of activities going on before you. You will never know, cause they are in disguise. These girls are dangerous. Their movements are spontaneous. They playing a dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Oh, they are playing a dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Every day for the thief, but one day for the owner. If you run too much speed, slow down, cause speedy the kilo. Take life, jaja, no de para for life. What is yours will still be your own. It's a dangerous game. Dangerous, they are playing. It's a dangerous game. The game is so dangerous, 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 so dangerous. It's a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Whoa, they are playing dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. They are playing a dangerous, 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 a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. The more you look, it's the less you see. A whole lot of activities going on before you. You will never know, cause they are in disguise. These girls are dangerous. Their movements are spontaneous. They play in a dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. But they are playing a dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Every day for the thief, but one day for the owner. If you run too much speed, slow down, cause speedy the kilo. Take life, jaja, no de para for life. What is yours will still be your own. It's a dangerous game. Dangerous, they are playing. It's a dangerous game. The game is so dangerous, 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 so dangerous. It's a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Whoa, it's a dangerous game. They are playing dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. They are playing a dangerous, 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 a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. The more you look, it's the less you see. A whole lot of activities going on before you. You will never know, cause they are in disguise. These girls are dangerous. Their movements are spontaneous.
Sophia is not feeling well, and Tina has gone to see her mother in the village. So I want both of us to take care of business today.
With all pleasure, sir.
I said I want us to take care of business today.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me make it simple. I'll make it simple. So I'll be at the counter. Then you take care of the customers. Understood?
Understood, my baby boo.
So best no fit drink water. Drop cup in peace, yo. I be waiting be the matter. Oi, I be make we run no. Jay, everybody want to hug. Everybody want to come closer. No one wanna be the loser. That's why them they shoot their shot. Hey, they want to hug. Everybody want to come closer. No one wanna be the loser. That's why them they shoot their shot. I see them girls, I no wonder them they show off. They want to be noticed, see them girls, I no wonder them they show. So person no fit drink water. Drop cup in peace, yo. I be waiting be the matter, oi. I be make we run no. Jay, everybody want to hug. Everybody want to come closer. No one wanna be the loser. That's why them they shoot their shot. Hey, they want to hug. Everybody want to come closer. No one wanna be the loser. That's why them they shoot their shot. I see them girls, oh, I no wonder them they show off. They want to be noticed, oh. See them girls, oh, I no wonder them they show their sexy body.
Jennifer, are you possessed?
No.
What are you doing? Oh yeah? Follow me! Jennifer!
Sarah! Oh, I thought this was reality already. Fuck, that was good.
It's a dangerous game they are playing. Dangerous game. It's a dangerous game they are playing. A dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. The more you look, it's the less you see. A whole lot of activities going on before you. You will never know, cause they are in disguise. These girls are dangerous. Their movements are spontaneous. They play in a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Oh, they are playing a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Every day for the thief, but one day for the owner. If you want too much speed, slow down, cause speedy the kiddo. Take life jaja, no they para for life. What is yours will still be your own. It's a dangerous game. They are playing. It's a dangerous game. The game is so dangerous. So dangerous. It's a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Whoa, they are playing dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. They are playing a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. The more you look, it's the less you see. A whole lot of activities going on before you. You will never know, cause they are in disguise. These girls are dangerous. Their movements are spontaneous. They play in a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Oh, they are playing a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Every day for the thief, but one day for the owner. If you want too much speed, slow down, cause speedy the kiddo. Take life jaja, no they para for life. What is yours will still be your own. It's a dangerous game. They are playing. It's a dangerous game. The game is so dangerous. So dangerous. It's a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Whoa, it's a dangerous game. They are playing dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. They are playing a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. The more you look, it's the less you see. A whole lot of activities going on before you. You will never know, cause they are in disguise. These girls are dangerous. Their movements are spontaneous. They play in a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Oh, they are playing a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Every day for the thief, but one day for the owner. If you want too much speed, slow down.
Relax. I don't bite.
Yeah.
Can you sit? At least.
What?
Just sit.
Yeah, sure, I will.
It's okay.
41, 42, 43, 45.
53.
Yes, no.
Alhaji, I think it's 55.
No.
Dollar don't high.
No. Now wait till you pay 9 this. Even bureau the change, it not come like that.
Yeah, come to go. Thank you.
If you get another one, let me know. My content down.
No, hala, they go.
Yo, wow.
Yo. One note. Give me this plenty money. Eh? Almost see money. See money. Kai. Wait. Why did she give me this huge amount of money? What does she want? Was it just for dash? It's not a man, man. If na man now go talk to baby in the eye somewhere.
Chief,
You guys were wonderful.
thank you for today.
Wow. We really enjoyed ourselves.
Yeah. I wish you can be having this every day.
I support it.
Oh, you do?
Yes, I want it every day. Where have you been on this planet that I have been suffering from? You guys are wonderful.
Don't worry.
Are you twins?
You have us now, huh?
Because you have the same magic.
Oh, yeah. Wow. You bust my bubbles, man.
We haven't really started with you.
I swear.
Yes.
And I will take care of you. I will take care of both of you. Yes. What gives me joy must be funded. Do you understand?
Wow.
Yeah, you must be funded so I can continue to enjoy this wonderful time.
We're in for anything.
Yeah.
So long it's you.
You guys, you're so magical.
Yes, Chief.
Your touch is giving me some winning.
Yeah.
Always. Don't go and spoil me.
We're ready to spoil you, Chief. We want to spoil you. We want to make you to look like Sweet 16.
I will love it.
Forever young.
I will love it. Yeah, and I'll take care of you.
So you give us plenty money?
What is the money that I cannot give you? I pay for my pleasure.
Wow.
Yes, I'm ready to pay anything for my pleasure. I want you to do it every day. After this little holiday, we're going to have another holiday. Yes, another holiday. Another bumper one, and I know you will give me the fullest.
Oh. Overdose.
Anyhow you want.
Tickle him. You're torturing me. Stop torturing me.
Chief. Babes, we are rich.
Yes, so.
Very rich.
Freaking rich.
Hey.
Babe, we are in money.
Who they?
Who they? Oh, goodness.
I don't get money now. Unlike some poor waitress, there's always smelling of curry and ogiri all the time. They don't have money. They don't have money.
They're not rich.
Abuja favor also.
Too much.
Chief get money. So just that shots, they give us plenty money. They give us money. It's choke. But baby, Chief try you.
You over try.
So the plenty money. As I just changed my own now, I rush, can't go pay my debt of 10 years ago. This one self, I will still change it. And if I change up, I go use a pepper some people. They don't reach. They don't get money. They never even enter airport before, not to talk of enter business class. They come sit down with some Oyibo people by their corner.
They talk business class, you don't talk economy. They talk business.
Who dash monkey banana? Chief driver also overdrive. This I go touch this kind of money. Imagine say this kind chief where they drop better money and now 1 minute in the last.
No stress.
Now that type I want to.
My sister, you want to tell me?
Hey, imagine let's just say 10,000 panyo for 1 minute. Come time some 50 minutes.
Baby, na 50 million be that.
And they tell you.
Too much money.
I can't wait for Jim to call me back.
They tell you.
The day when you just call me. Now,
It's a dangerous game they are playing. Dangerous, dangerous game. They are playing a dangerous, a dangerous game. The more you look, it's the less you see. A whole lot of.
Get my court. What's up, girls? My court.
I don't understand why they make noise for you now because of court. Just they shout. You don't understand our eatery be this. You want me to catch us?
All right. Oh, please, my court.
I don't get
Can I get it?
I didn't come with it.
I don't understand. I said my court. Give me my court.
No, they shout.
No,
I no, they
man, no
shout.
change that for now. Forget the package, you know.
What
did they do you? I'll get business for you. Give my court. The problem again.
Guy, they shout.
And they shout.
They shout.
So I go get deal for you. To go give my court. The problem. No try me. Give my money. Give my money.
No, they shout. If you shout for me here now.
I go.
You buy something. You dey disturb. You no wan pay. I go lie for your head.
It's okay.
Forget the English and the people that give me money for your bed. All nonsense.
If my oga
come, wait. Never complain. Make I collect your own now.
I bet do give me this man.
It's okay.
I think I like do business to people like that. They go find people now to get my problem.
It's okay. Now make I collect your own.
No, this is no, this is
give me.
You even put on self.
I beg. Go.
Wait, Mark.
I bet do the come here.
It's complete.
I don't know if I can get the money come out. Where my hola?
You want make I keep up for keep and say just go.
Complete.
I say move. Come on here. Just there. They do any. They crazy.
You get up say this money complete. Now what about you, man? For believe.
You too. You get up say. Nah, no be the 500,000 naira you tell us. Now they give us dollar. Now make you get all this 20.
Believe me. Now you have to make you no talk.
Say you talk like zombie. No get sense.
You too talk. You don't do. You too talk. You don't do. You don't go. You don't collect money. You too talk. Me have to go back to work.
I too talk.
Thank you so much. Here is your money. So I'll be the one to stock the meals myself in the house. Thank you. I really appreciate this.
No problem.
I really appreciate this.
No problem.
Okay.
Oh, it's alright. I'll leave now.
Alright.
Osa, Lubanera Mel. Hey! Some with this fine man don't they bring food, they can't give madam food this house. Make it they not come from food, come and turn that thing. Make it not turn another thing because the way they see this thing, it gave me this the direction where this thing they go. They go like say something serious. Some of them they smile. They go turn from kitchen now before you know kitchen. Cut pepper, cut tomato before you go. Before you know, you don't cut oga property. That time problem go happen. People go scatter, war. But I need to mind myself. If you check away, as if they come continuously, that's how I'm gonna eat harmoniously, and everything gonna go superiorously. Hi, hey, but. Madam, you need to use your brain. You need to use your brain. That guy too fine. Hey! Oh, salubwa.
So these girls like to Oga. did he go to Abuja? Who took them to Abuja? And how come they made such huge amount of money? I'm not going to allow those urchins outshine me in this eatery. No way. No way now. Jennifer, shine your eye. Jennifer, shine your eye.
It's a dangerous game they are playing. Dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game they are playing. A dangerous, 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 a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game.
Comment.
The more you look, it's the less you see. A whole lot of activities going on before you. You will never know, cause they are in disguise. These girls are dangerous. Their movements are spontaneous. They're playing a dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Oh, they are playing a dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Every day for the thief, but one day for the owner. If you want too much speed, slow down, cause speedy the kiddo.
What do I offer you? You sure?
Yes.
Do you smoke? Smokers are liable to die young. Right.
But you smoke.
You're Jennifer, right?
Yes.
I've been expecting your call.
I don't understand it.
Look deep. Come on, be smart. You understand. I have clients in this town, so I need suppliers, you know. Are you in? You are. You're smart. Very smart. My boys will work with you. Are you in? Hey, you're beautiful and smart, like I said earlier. And are you in? Oh, your silence says it all. You're in, right? You're in. Good. I will make you a boss lady, just like me. Hey, sugar, come on.
Can I go?
No, honey. Stay here with me. It's raining outside. You are so beautiful. Rain shouldn't touch you. Okay? Come on, cheer up. Oh, my bad. Come on, have some drink.
No. I'm fine.
Nah.
No.
It's a
Thank you.
dangerous game.
Oh, yes.
They're playing dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. They are playing a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. The more you look, it's the less you see. A whole lot of activities going on before you. You will never know, cause they are in disguise. These girls are dangerous. Their movements are spontaneous. They're playing a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Oh, they are playing a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. They are playing. Every day for the team, but one day for the owner. Wow. If you run too much speed, slow down, cause speed is the kilo. I take like Jaja, no the better for life. What is yours will still be your own. No. It's a dangerous game. They're playing. It's a dangerous game. The game is so dangerous. So dangerous.
What are you doing there?
Dangerous game. Whoa.
My mother is sick.
Your mother? Oh, it's a pity. What's wrong with her?
So the doctors say she has heart issues and she needs to undergo surgery.
Really?
I was asked to raise 15 million for her surgery, but I've been thinking where to raise that type of money. I don't have it.
15 million naira?
Yes.
15 million naira. It's okay, I'll give you 10.
What?
I'll give you 10 million naira, then you look for elsewhere to get 5 million. I'll do anything for you. I don't want you to be sad. I don't want you to be sad at all. I'll do anything to make you happy.
You give me 10 million?
Yeah.
Oh. Thank you so much. I thank you so much. I really appreciate this. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's alright. Why don't you go freshen up and join me in bed?
Yeah, sure, I will. Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's okay. Now you go. I'll be waiting for you.
Yeah, sure. I'll be back shortly.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright. Thank you.
Yeah. Remind me in the morning to give you a check of 10 million. I'm waiting.
Are you sure you're okay? Should I cover you some more?
So there's no fit drink water. Drop cup in peace, yo. I be waiting be the matter. Oi, I be make we run no. Jay, everybody want to hug. Everybody want to come closer. No one wanna be the loser. That's why then they shoot their shot. Hey, they want to hug. Everybody want to come closer. No one wanna be the loser. That's why then they shoot their shot. I see them girls, oh, no wonder them they show up. They want to be noticed, oh. See them girls, oh, no wonder them they show. So best no fit drink water. Drop cup in peace, yo. I be waiting be the matter. Boy, I be make we run no. Jay, everybody want to hug. Everybody want to come closer. No one wanna be the loser. That's why then they shoot their shot. Hey, they want to hug. Everybody want to come closer. No one wanna be the loser. That's why then they shoot their shot. I see them girls, oh, no wonder them they show up. They want to be noticed, oh. See them girls, oh.
Hello everyone. Hi. Good evening, sir. I hope you're enjoying yourself.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Why not?
Okay. Please have a nice day, okay? Please, if you need anything, just let me know. And that's a good wine. You're going to like it. Fine, thank you. Thank you. Alright.
So there's no fit drink water. Drop cup in peace, yo. I be waiting be the matter. Boy, I be make we run no.
Hi guys. Are you enjoying yourself?
Yes.
Okay, you like the food?
It's tasty. I like it.
Alright, thank you. Just let me know if you need anything at all. Okay? Alright. Enjoy yourself. Alright, bye.
That's why then they shoot their shot. I see them girls, oh, no wonder them they show up. They want to be noticed, oh. See them girls, oh, no wonder them they show. So best no fit drink water. Drop cup in peace, yo. I be waiting be the matter. Boy, I be make we run no. Jay, everybody want to hug. Everybody want to come closer. No one wanna be the loser. That's why then they shoot their shot. Hey, they want to hug. Everybody want to come closer. No one wanna be the loser. That's why then they shoot their shot. I see them girls, oh.
You don't want anything?
No, nothing. I'll call you when I need you.
Drink? Okay. Please, what would you like to have?
Red wine, please.
Red wine.
Yeah, red wine.
No fit drink water, drop cup in peace, yo. I be waiting be the matter, boy. I be make we run no. Jay, everybody want to hug, everybody want to come closer. No one wanna be the loser. That's why them they shoot their shot. Hey, they want to hug, everybody want to come closer. No one wanna be the loser. That's why them they shoot their shot. I see them girls, oh, no wonder them they show off. They want to be noticed, oh. See them girls, oh, no wonder them they show. So person no fit drink water, drop cup in peace, oh. I be waiting be the matter, boy. I be make we run no. Jay, everybody want to hug, everybody want to come closer. No one wanna be the loser. That's why then they shoot their shot. Hey, they want to hug, everybody want to come closer. No one wanna be the loser. That's why.
Thank you so much. Thank you, I appreciate it. Wow. This for me?
It's for you. Just go in, check it out. Oh.
Wow. Thank you. Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Just stop thanking me and check this guy out.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Anything for you, you know, right?
Thank you so much.
Just stop thanking me. So, can we get into the car and drive and someone have a drink?
In this one?
I didn't come with my car for crying.
Oh, sorry. I thought you. Okay, I thought you brought yours.
How am I supposed to do that?
For me? Hi, God! Let's go! You're too much! You're too much! For me!
Do not overspeed. If you overspeed because you made some dollars today, you might get crushed on the way. Advice: be you. Be that very loyal, humble girl that you are. Respect your boss, even now that you're richer and way bigger than him. For that is the key to success in life.
Was God, you correct! You took correct die! I no go wrong past my leg. I don't fit! Oh, was God, I love you die! I love you die!
Your voice is torturing me somehow.
Was God!
Your voice they make me wet.
Was God!
Your voice they sweet my belly.
I too love you!
I me. What's good? I don't die.
They make me well.
I don't die.
What is she dey feel like?
Dog where they bite, no they back. I said dog where they bite, no they back. Dog where they bite, no they back. Dog where they bite, no they back. Bingo's the back. Bulldogs, they observe. When our gas, Bingo, go hide in tail for yash. Take off.
Jennifer, since I dey like this so, na me be bulldog for this street. I dey bite for nyash, and if I bite on nyash, you no go rest. You go dey run kitikiti, dey run katakata. And so your life will just dey miserable. Shey dey hear am?
Sophia, when is your mother's birthday? Remind me.
20th now.
20th of when?
Of this month.
No, Yawana. I go pull body. Now that day,